Looking to upgrade your daily routine with smart gadgets that bring convenience, speed, and innovation into your home and workspace? Whether you're trying to keep your windows spotless with no effort or need lightning-fast charging for all your devices, you're in the right place. In this video, top 5 best smart tech gadgets for home and office window robots, fast chargers, storage tools, we've put together a powerful list of tech tools that are highly rated, efficient, and a perfect fit for tech-savvy users. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. GaN Fast Charger. The GaN Fast Charger by Ugreen is a compact but incredibly powerful charging solution with up to 140W max output. It's powered by GaN technology, allowing it to remain small and efficient while delivering next-gen charging speeds. With support for USB PD 3.1, Qualcomm Quick Charge, Samsung Adaptive Fast Charge, Huawei FCP, and more, this is a universal charging powerhouse. It includes 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, offering smart distribution such as 65W plus 65W when using 2 USB-C ports or 100W plus 22.5W when using USB-C and USB-A together. That means you can charge your MacBook, iPhone, Android phones, tablets, and even power-hungry USB-C laptops all at once. It comes with a 240W cable that's 1.5 meters long, providing durability and ease of use. If you're constantly on the move and need a travel charger that delivers unmatched power, this Ugreen charger is a must-have addition to your tech kit. Number 4. SATA USB Adapter. This SATA USB adapter from Ugreen is a lifesaver when it comes to data transfer and drive access. It converts 2.5 and 3.5-inch HDD or SSD SATA hard drives to USB 3.0 or 2.0, letting you plug your internal drives into your PC, laptop, or docking station in seconds. It supports fast data transfer speeds via USB 3.0, making it even faster than SATA 3 in some real-world workflows. Whether you're cloning a hard drive to an SSD, recovering data, or using an old hard disk as an external storage device, this cable makes the process plug-and-play. What sets it apart is its durable build, efficient heat dissipation, and support for high-capacity drives. It's the perfect tool for IT pros, students, and anyone who frequently works with different drives. Number 3. Liectroux HCR-10. Say goodbye to dangerous ladders and tiring manual labor with the Liectroux HCR-10, a smart window cleaning robot that sprays water automatically from its 30 milliliters built-in tank and cleans with precision. It features artificial intelligence for path planning and a high-efficiency brushless motor fan that keeps the robot stable. It can clean at a speed of 2 minutes per square meter, and when it's done, it automatically returns to its original point, so you don't have to worry about retrieving it. With its uninterruptible power system, it stays attached to the glass even if the power is cut. The anti-falling algorithm and safety rope supporting up to 150 kilograms add peace of mind. Plus, you can control it with the included remote for easy switching between 3 auto-cleaning modes and manual control. Number 2. Liectroux YW510. The Liectroux YW509 takes window cleaning a step further with dual-directional water spray that provides superior coverage. Its 3,000 Pascal suction power ensures it sticks firmly to glass, and its smart memory means it always knows where it started and where it needs to return. Equipped with dual 90 milliliters water tanks, it cleans longer without needing refills. The patented multi-layer cleaning pad effectively removes dirt, grime, and residue, while advanced frame detection technology allows it to clean framed and frameless glass with equal ease. It's one of the most powerful and intelligent window cleaning robots in the market, ideal for larger glass surfaces or users wanting a more hands-off cleaning experience. Number 1. Liectroux YW810. The most advanced window cleaning robot on our list, the Liectroux YW810, uses ultrasonic dual water spray and SLAM technology for highly precise navigation. It supports full app control, so you can clean your windows straight from your smartphone with a simple interface. It remembers its path with AI-powered memory, returning to its starting point once the job is done. It's built for glass, walls, and even tiled surfaces, making it extremely versatile for modern homes. Whether you're dealing with high-rise windows, glass partitions, or tricky-to-reach panels, the Liectroux YW810 combines intelligence, safety, and power for the most effortless window cleaning experience. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.